river now flow from Lake Victoria. Brown skin girl, you country tossing at the area. Definitely better than the rest of the criteria. Kenya, all around the world. You better know, you brighten up the day every little bit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a little bit different from, you know, doing the wigs and also cutting weaves and stuff like that. Today I'm going to do my own hair. As you can see, I just got a nice cut from my barbers today, and I really like it. You know, it's really nice. And I'm going to color my own hair, but the thing is I just don't know what color I want, whether I want to do it in platinum blonde or I want to do it in blue indigo, yeah, or red crimson, or emerald green, or pink blush, or pink petal. I'm not sure, guys. To be honest, it's like I've been thinking about it, but I haven't really made up my mind what is it. But the first thing I know what I have to do, I have to bleach the hair first. So after bleaching it, by then I will have an idea what is it I really want to do. So first of all, I'm going to mix my bleach. So what I did, I poured some 40% cream from my bottle. So I just poured some in this little bottle, and then I have my powder, bleaching powder, which is True Light, and it's the same cream also, True Light color, and it's 40%. So I'll be mixing both into this bowl. But first of all, let's wear our gloves, because it is very important to wear gloves. It protects our hands from chemical, and to be honest, this bleach is very strong, so it's a must that you have to wear gloves. Second of all, I have this coconut oil, which I'll be putting a little bit on my scalp before applying the bleach. So organic coconut oil to my scalp and hair first before doing the chemical. As you can see, I have to quickly go and get an old shirt. So this is I think baking, not about baking, bleaching powder. I want to make a thick paste, and as I said, this is 40% bleach cream, bleaching cream, so 40%. It comes in blue, the powder comes in blue, and it also comes in white, so it doesn't matter which one you use. You can use the blue one, and you can also use the white one, it doesn't matter. Oops. Yes, so it become a thick paste now, so I'll be applying. Yeah, so I'm applying it now to my hair. Ooh, it's cold.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so I've been having on this, it's been half an hour now, and this is the color. It's like blonde. Yeah, I think it's bright enough to put the color on whichever color we're gonna do today. So yeah, so what I'll be doing, I'll be washing it using my Life Therapy. It's a treatment, so I'll be using the treatment shampoo and the condition. So I'll be washing it, and then but first I'll be washing it first, then after I will apply the treatment condition after I use the color to color it. Yeah, all right then. Yes guys, so as you can see, this is a color. So we can see that this is golden blonde. So this is proper honey blonde, they would call it, or gold blonde here. So I decided that I'll be using the emerald green. Yeah, I think I'll be trying out the emerald green. I'm not sure how it will come out, but I'm going to try it out and see how it comes out. So we're going to pour a bit in the emerald and start applying. Emerald green. Ooh. Wow, I've never tried a color like this in my hair. Never. I'm praying and hoping that it comes out really nice. Oh my god. Yeah. So guys, so this is the emerald green, and I'm a bit nervous. I'm really nervous. So I'm planning to put a bit of blue, which is indigo. I'm gonna mix it with a bit of indigo blue over it. Not really feeling the green like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix a bit of indigo blue on it. I'm just praying that this one comes out really good. Okay, here we go. Ooh, wow. So this is the blue and green.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you.
can see, this is the end result of the color that I've just done. And also I've used Soft and Free Curl Activator Lotion. So I use a little bit in it just to make it soft and nice. So I use the Soft and Free Curl Activator Lotion. And I really like this color because the green that I've put before, the emerald green, I think it was a bit like lime greenish. It's too light. So by mixing the indigo blue with it, I get this type of green, and it's amazing, guys. As you can see, it's really nice, and I love it. So I would like to know what you think about it. So remember to like, share, and also comment, okay? And remember to also subscribe. Please, guys, please, you need to subscribe, okay? Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video.